Hey guys, I'm Ashla Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and simple backup heater. You know, for those times that you're out in the woods and it just gets a little too cold or you lose electricity. For this project, you're going to need an empty quart-sized paint can and top, some toilet paper, some 70% rubbing alcohol, and some matches. First thing we're going to do is take the center cardboard out of the toilet paper. Once we have that removed, we're going to take off enough toilet paper so the roll will fit in our can. You don't want to take off too much because you do want it to fit snug inside the can. Now we're going to pour the alcohol into the can. This may take a little bit because you're going to need to pour the alcohol in and let the toilet paper soak it up a little at a time. The one thing you want to make sure of though is that the alcohol is not above the toilet paper once you get finished pouring it in. All right, once the toilet paper is all soaked with alcohol, we're going to put our lid on and we're going to seal it tight so it's ready for those emergency situations. And if you really want to be prepared for that emergency situation, you can go ahead and tape your matches and the screwdriver to open the top to your can. All right, well, I don't know about you, but it's only 7 degrees out here, and I definitely consider that an emergency. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the top, and we're going to test this baby out. Now, caution, when you do pull this out to use it, make sure there's nothing flammable around it. And it might not hurt to have a little ventilation. All right, guys, what other DIY heaters do you know of? Let us know in the comments below, and then make sure you subscribe to Rated Red's YouTube channel. And by the way, when you want to put it out, all you got to do is put the lid back on. Ta-da! From the cabin, I'm Ashla Taylor.